If you are a 40+ woman looking for the hottest spring and fashion trends that are wearable, that feel good, and that are affordable, you are exactly in the right place. And if you are under 40, you are absolutely also in the right place. In fact, my biological age is around 34 or 35, meaning I had some blood work done and that's what it told me. And I was like, heck to the yes, I will take it. If you are new here, I am 5'7". I have 4 children, ages 5 through 12, and I am a full-time working mom. So I like pieces that are put together, elevated, but are not going to break the bank. In fact, a lot of these pieces you would never know that you got on Amazon. I'm going to start off with some gorgeous polka dot pieces, from shorts to dresses to tops that you could wear for date night, for events, just everyday wear, because a polka dot, just classic. And then I'm going to move into some spring and summer casual or dress pants, depending upon how you wear them. You can never go wrong with some very comfortable flowy pants in your wardrobe. If you're watching from your TV or your iPad, you can go ahead and scan the QR code on screen. It will take you to everything in this video, and down below in that description box and pinned in the comments section, I will have one master list. Well, in fact, I will have 2 master lists. One for all the polka dot pieces, plus a few more that I've hand selected, and then one for the casual pants. I'm going to include more in that master list when it comes to the casual pants. In fact, not too long ago, I filmed some spring casual pants. I want you to be able to access those as well. Let's dive in. Starting off with this beige polka dot top, if you will. I mean, it's polka dot, but very subtle polka dot. This is great for the office, great for a date night, great for everyday wear. You could put this with some white shorts. I just paired all of these tops with a nice white jean pant. Pair this with a white linen pant, a dress pant. You could even do black with this. You could do tone on tone. In fact, I'm going to share with you a #1 best-selling pant that would also look really nice with this top. I love that you can wear a regular bra with this because of the material right here. And I don't know about you, I absolutely hate strapless bras. So all the things that I'm showing you here today, I actually wore my cakes with. And many of these pieces come in multiple color options. So if you don't love the one that I'm showing you here today, chances are there's an alternative available for you. I felt so fun, girly, and put together when I put this on. Moving into this white and black polka dot dress. So I love if you are a little bit bustier, this would look really nice on you. I love the straps on here. So you could wear a nude bra depending upon the thickness of your straps, but I just completely wore my cakes. So it just depends upon what kind of lift that you want for the girls. If you're like me and you're completely flat chested, I think this dress looks good on everybody. It is nice in lightweight. If you have a hot summer day, but you want to look put together, very chic, very beautiful, this is the dress for you. This is by one of my favorite brands on Amazon, the Success brand. They make a ton of athletic wear, which I've shared in previous videos. I love the off-the-shoulder detail on this. You could totally dress this up for a date night. You can make it completely casual. You could put some white shorts, some black shorts, some white tennies, but if you're elevating this for a date night, a nice black kitten heel, maybe some black sort of linen pants, or maybe a skinny pants would look really nice, or even a skirt. I am obsessed with this peplum top. This would also look really beautiful with a nice pair of jeans that you feel comfortable with. I love a peplum top because it looks super sophisticated. It looks more expensive than this one actually is. I love the detail here on the back, so there's nice stretch and nice give. There's also nice grippy here, so it's going to stay up and stay in place. But what's really nice about a peplum top is if you're feeling a little bit bloated, your waist isn't, maybe exactly where you want it, this covers and hides everything, but maybe shows off your best assets, which could be your chest or maybe your behind. Also loving this tube top, very lightweight, very beautiful. The nice grippy here all around, so it's going to stay in place. Again, this would also look really beautiful with a satin skirt. I would love this with, or just a nice pair of jeans. And it came with this tie, so you can really play around with this and have a little fun with it. You could wrap it around your shoulders. You could tighten a bow, which I really like. I'm seeing this sort of top everywhere on higher end websites, and when I found it on Amazon, I got very excited. These polka dot pieces are timeless pieces in your closet, and I love every one of them. Another lightweight polka dot dress. This is nice in lightweight. I mean, this could be a beach cover up. This could be everyday wear. You want to put on some nice white sneakers with this. It is white. It was not see-through. I just wore some nude underwear underneath and then my cakes, but if you want to wear a regular bra, you certainly could, because the straps are thick enough and it comes up high enough. If you want to showcase some of your favorite jewelry, you certainly can. Great length on this as well. Not too long, not too short, just perfect for hot summer days. I am absolutely obsessed with this dress. My daughters have their dance spring recital coming up, and this is the dress that I am going to wear. I put this on. I just felt gorgeous in it. I love a nice mock neck. Also very stretchy material. I love the length on this. If it's hotter, you're going to be cool enough because it is sleeveless, but if it's a little bit cooler, especially if you're going into an assembly or a stage of some sort so those tend to be a bit cooler with the air conditioning. Beautiful for a date night. I am so excited for this one. I love a good brown and white polka dot, so I had to bring one to you. This is a classic dress. I love the form and the structure on it. I love the neckline. Just very vintage, very beautiful, very gorgeous. Nice little flare on the skirt. Pair this with some cute pumps, a wedge sandal, even a ballet flat would look really gorgeous with this. I love this mini black and white polka dot dress. This would also look really beautiful in a red. I'm not sure if it comes in it, but I am excited to wear this one. I don't yet know where my husband and I are going, but we are definitely going to plan something. You could give a little pop of color with a red pump. I think would look super cute. It has a square neck detail. You could even wear a regular bra under this because it does have the thicker straps. It just hugs you in all the right places. A fun little number here, very beautiful, sophisticated, yet just gives a little va-va-voom, if you know what I mean. Only a few more pieces in our polka dot category. I love this dress. It feels very European inspired to me. I think it's because the form and the fit on it. I love the neckline, so you can tie it here as a halter around the neck, so it's totally adjustable. Very nice and lightweight. Stretchy here on the back, so you have lots of give. I just love everything about this dress. This is great for shopping, lunching, even a date night, depending upon where you're going. I live around the lakes here in Minnesota, so this would be the perfect like lake outfit. This black dress, oh my goodness. So if you have some girls you want to show off a little bit, this dress is for you. But if you're also flat-chested like myself, I do think this looks very beautiful, very ballet-esque, if you will. It came with this nice necktie, which you can keep on, leave off. You could also use this for a belt for some of these pieces, depending upon how you want to wear it. The back is nice and adjustable. This material is lightweight enough. It is pretty much wrinkle resistant because of the material. Classic, gorgeous dress. And you know, I had to bring you a navy polka dot number here. Love the neckline on this dress. The spaghetti straps, fully adjustable here. Very comfortable, nice and lightweight. You could wear this with white sneakers, but you could also really dress this up. I think this would look super cute with a white blazer. Roll the sleeves up if it's a little bit colder. Wear a closed toe or even a ballet flat if you are using this for office wear, conference wear. I love a good navy polka dot. Can you hear all the birds in the background? Let me know if you can hear the birds. It is finally nice enough here in Minnesota that I have all my windows open and I'm like loving every minute of it. Last but not least, these paper bag shorts in the polka dot pattern. I love these because they're nice and high-waisted. They can cover any areas, you know, sort of that poochy area that we often get as ladies, especially if we're going through perimenopause or if it's just that time of the month. I have shorts like these in several different color options. So when I found it in the polka dot version, I was like, heck to the yes. These make your legs look so nice. I think they just cinch the waist in all the right areas. They cover up anything. And because of the pattern detail here, that also can hide sort of any of that, you know, pudgy area that we often get below the belly button area. Super cute. You could wear this with a white button down, leave it open. I love it here with just this white tank top. I think it looks beautiful, or a white t-shirt. You could really dress this up or make this more casual depending upon how you accessorize these polka dot paper bag shorts. Moving into some must-have pants that are airy, lightweight, cover all the bases. These gingham brown or plaid pants, if you will, sort of that paper bag style, if you will. Nice ruffled detail, adjustable straps. I love the length on these pants, all these pants, because depending upon how tall you are, they can be a full length pant, but they could also be a capri pant, which is great if you have long legs like myself, or if you are taller than 5'7". This is just a classic piece. I see this, I think very East Coast vibes, effortless, chic. I think Ritz-Carlton. I think you're out shopping. I would pair this with some nice rattan accessories, a purse, a really beautiful rattan hat, or a summer hat would be gorgeous with these pants. Love, love, love these red striped pants. I cannot remember if these come in multiple color options, so we're going to link them on screen here. If they do, I am going to be living in these pants. They feel like pajama pants, but they look super, super gorgeous. I think they just hug you in all the right places, nice and lightweight. A pant you can wear to the office, you can wear for lunch, you can wear super casual if you want to put a ballet flat or maybe just a nice slingback sandal, even a date night, depending what you pair these with. In fact, I actually wanted to wear these right as I filmed this part of the video, but I needed to be able to display them here for you. Gorgeous. Oh, I'm obsessed with these casual pants. Now I'm going to show you a different color here a little bit later in the video. I can't remember if they're by the same brand or not, but they look and feel very similar. Very comfortable. I love this beautiful blue color. It's not one that we see a ton, but it totally screams spring and summer to me. Pair this with a t-shirt, a white tank top. I also think that black looks really beautiful with this color, or a beige color, or you could even do a really beautiful monochromatic look. It's like taking a lounge pant and just making a little bit more chic and beautiful. The jeans that aren't really jeans, these striped pants, I've been seeing these all over the interwebs. They're sort of a barrel pant, if you will. Classic coastal color. I would wear these with some white sneaks. I also love this with a block heel stand-up, but even a ballet flat I think looks very beautiful in this. I would also pair this with a white button down, probably leave it open, or maybe a half tuck. A lot of possibilities with this classic pant. Another super airy, lightweight pant. I love this color combination. So much you can do. Great, again, for the office, depending upon how you wear this and how you style this, and the shoes and the accessories and whatnot, but also very open for a casual look. I love this blue color with sort of this khaki brown combination. Nice and stretchy with the drawstring detail here, so you can make it as loose or as tight as you want, depending upon how you're feeling. A green pant I had to bring to you. I've been seeing these also all over the interwebs. How? Now, on these pants, these are different than all the rest. These are a low rise, at least in my experience, and I have not worn a low rise pant in so long. Give me a thumbs up or let me know in that comments box below if you can relate to me on that one, but I've been seeing a ton of low rise pants, so I'm glad that I was able to put these into my closet repertoire because I think it's fun to change it up. I love the striped detail. It has the drawstrings, very stretchy, very comfortable. Material on this is a little bit thicker, but you don't have the uncomfortableness as you would with a stereotypical jean. Here are those pants that I showed you in the blue color. I want to, these gotta be by the same brand. If not, they are almost identical. I love this orange color, and orange is hotter than ever as we transition from spring into summer. These are a great lounge pant, pajama pants. If you are, I don't know, I was gonna say like going to a night baseball game and you just want to be very comfortable, these would keep your legs warm enough. These are great for every day, walking your dog, running errands. So pretty, so comfortable. These white linen inspired pants. I also love the ruffle bell bottoms here, and I have to say a white monochromatic look always looks so beautiful, so sophisticated, just put together like you are easy breezy hanging out on your boat. You are just like hanging out, drinking some lemonade, doing something fabulous, like you didn't try too hard, but you look very beautiful. And these are nice and lightweight, so it's perfect for those warmer weather climates. And again, this right here, bell bottom, so pretty. And last but not least, I want to say these are a #1 bestseller, if I'm remembering correctly. Like I'm 99.8% sure. And I just love this color combination. This khaki color with the white. I think it looks so refined. It's also perfect for the summertime. Light colors so that you're staying a little bit cooler, which is really nice. This is a pant that you could wear for travel. You're going to the zoo, you're running errands, you want to go to the office and put a blazer over top and a nice professional shoe. You could with this, a conference. I'm going to several conferences this summer, so this is a pant that I will probably wear with a white button down and I don't know, probably a black blazer. I think that would look really beautiful, but also great for everyday wear. This white tank top, some white sneakers, and you're done. Make sure that you're following me on Instagram and Facebook at Andrea Jean Co, because I post on there almost every single day. Let me know your favorite piece from the polka dot and casual pant collection. And if you found this video helpful, please share it out with a friend, and we have got to keep the fun going. So click this video on screen now, thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.